Hello, I'm Adam Rickards, an application engineer with Control Logic, here to do an unboxing for the Hirschmann Bobcat switch. So let's take a look at what you get inside the box. We have some open source information, as well as a safety manual to ensure you don't cause any damage to yourself or the hardware as you're putting it together, and a DVD with all the software you need to get started. After you remove the cardboard insert, you can reach inside the box and get yourself the switch. You can see here it comes with a terminal block for power connectivity, signal contact. This unit here has 4 SFP slots on the side here, as well as 8 RJ45 ports, and a USB-C connector for programming the device. Thank you.